Hi, I'm Aparna. I'm a software professional. I attended a AI tools workshop today. The best thing I liked about the workshop was the way it was presented. The instructors presented in a way which any common person with basic computer knowledge can understand. I was expecting a very technical presentation which cannot be easily understood, but it was uh, presented in a very simple manner, and it was very interesting as a lot of tools were shared with us, which can be used for our day-to-day activities for our work as well as personal use. So the best tool which I liked was where we can create music end to end, and from lyrics to music generation, and create the complete song. So that was really fascinating, as I love listening to music a lot. And also the image generation, based on the inputs given by the user, and create a very artistic image in very less time. And also the uh, an analysis and report creation from content generated from the internet. That was also very easy, and it can be easily utilized. And summarizing a lot of data, like an entire file from or content generated from the internet. That was also very nice, as we can save a lot of time instead of going through the entire material, and creating presentations with content generated from the internet or inputs provided by the user. That was also generally it will be time consuming. So the AI tools, it was made very simple. So and also the resume creation, to make it more easy to get a job. So all these were really useful, and it was presented in a very simple manner. So I found it really helpful. So thank you very much for giving us an opportunity to learn all this. Thank you.